Welcome back to CarScope, the place where car lovers discover the latest vehicles, exciting concepts, and everything happening in the automotive world. Today we're taking a close look at the all-new 2027 Mercedes Benz E Class, a luxury sedan that continues to raise the bar with premium comfort, advanced technology, and elegant styling. If you enjoy luxury cars and future models, make sure to like this video, subscribe to CarScope, and let's get started. The 2027 Mercedes Benz E Class arrives with a refined design that perfectly balances sportiness and sophistication. At first glance, the front fascia looks sharper than ever, featuring a redesigned grille with a bold Mercedes star pattern, slimmer digital LED headlights, and a more sculpted bumper. The flowing body lines give the sedan a clean and aerodynamic appearance, while the redesigned rear includes stylish LED taillights connected by elegant design elements that make the car look wider and more modern. Step inside, and the cabin immediately reminds you why Mercedes-Benz is one of the world's leading luxury brands. The interior is expected to feature premium leather upholstery, open-pore wood or aluminum trim, customizable ambient lighting, and one of the most advanced infotainment systems ever installed in an E-Class. A massive digital dashboard combines a fully digital instrument cluster with a large central touchscreen, while an optional passenger display adds another level of luxury. Voice control, powered by artificial intelligence, allows drivers to control navigation, climate settings, music, and other features using natural conversation. Under the hood, the 2027 E-Class is expected to offer several powertrain options. Buyers may choose from efficient turbocharged four-cylinder engines, smooth inline-six mild hybrid systems, and plug-in hybrid versions capable of delivering impressive electric-only driving range for daily commuting. Mercedes-Benz is also expected to improve fuel efficiency while maintaining the smooth and refined driving experience the E-Class is famous for. Performance-focused AMG versions are likely to deliver significantly more horsepower for drivers seeking extra excitement. Technology plays a huge role in the new E-Class. Advanced driver assistance features, such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, traffic sign recognition, and an upgraded parking assistant are expected to come standard or available, depending on the trim level. Mercedes is also improving semi-autonomous driving capabilities, making long highway trips more relaxing and safer than ever before. Ride comfort has always been one of the E-Class's greatest strengths, and the 2027 model continues that tradition. An improved suspension system absorbs bumps with ease, while providing confident handling through corners. Better sound insulation creates an exceptionally quiet cabin, allowing passengers to enjoy music or conversations without outside noise interfering. Whether you're driving through city streets or cruising on the highway, the E-Class delivers a calm and luxurious experience. Safety remains a top priority. The new E-Class is expected to feature multiple airbags, a reinforced body structure, enhanced collision avoidance systems, and intelligent driver monitoring technology that can detect fatigue or distraction. These features work together to provide peace of mind for both drivers and passengers. Although Mercedes-Benz has not officially confirmed every specification, industry expectations suggest the 2027 E-Class will continue competing strongly against rivals in the luxury midsize sedan segment. By combining timeless styling, cutting-edge technology, efficient performance, and world-class comfort. Overall, the 2027 Mercedes-Benz E-Class looks ready to continue its legacy as one of the finest luxury sedans on the market. It blends innovation, elegance, comfort, and performance into one impressive package, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking for a premium driving experience. What do you think about the new 2027 Mercedes-Benz E Class? Is it your favorite luxury sedan, or would you choose something else? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss future automotive content. Thanks for watching CarScope, and we'll see you in the next video.